In this video, I am going to show you how to use ContentFactoryAI.org to create hooks that are going to save you a hell of a lot of time when it comes to creating content. So I created ContentFactoryAI.org and I created every single thing on it that is created using Claude AI. I created it. You're going to hear my budgies in the background. I created it because I create multiple businesses. I've created multiple businesses for myself, and then that is also something that I do for other people. I fix their businesses. And so what I'm doing right now is I'm on my phone and I have screenshotted I've screen recorded, basically using, it's like A to Z recorder or something like that it's called. AZ screen recorder is what it's called if you don't have a screen recorder on your phone. And I've recorded just the front page of the website, which is ContentFactoryAI.org. So that's what it looks like, right? And so it's just me scrolling up, and then I'm using that as a reel. And so on the reel, though, I want to have the first few seconds with some hooks. So my plan is to create these reels on every single page that I've got and just do a scroll up of this. So that's going to be a reel, okay? In it, I'm going to put some kind of music. As you just heard, there was music in the background there. And I'm going to post it on Instagram and I'm going to post it on Facebook using Meta Business Suite. That's how you would do it without getting your Instagram shut down. If I've got multiple businesses, so they shut me down because logging in and out. So I don't scroll on anything. I don't spend my time on Instagram or TikTok or Facebook, anything like that for content. I create, and so I'm too busy creating. I don't have time to waste looking at other people's content, So I use Business Suite, and you're going to have to as a business anyway. If you are wanting to start a business, if you're watching my content, it's because you want to be helped creating a business. So look, anyway, you go to ContentFactoryAI.org and you're already logged in. So I don't want to take down what I've got here. So I'm already logged into it because I created it, so obviously I get to use all the things for free anyway. What I've gone into is this ProTools up here. So the generator is the first one. The second one that you would pay for is the ProTools, and then you can get the viral engine as well, which it'll give you really, it plugs straight into the Iglago, I think that's how you say it, algorithms of the platforms on that particular day that you're creating something. So it's going to suggest really specific on the things that you should create. But what I'm talking about is a hook generator. So when you go to Pro Tools, it's unfortunate I'm going to have to do all this again. So let me just copy that and I'm going to show you. So you will go to Pro Tools, and this is what your Pro Tools looks like, okay? And this is what the generator looks like. I've made other videos, and I'll make more videos on what the generator is. So the generator allows you a lot of stuff, but the Pro Tools does a little bit extra as well. And so what I've got into is the hook generator, because I just want to do what I said, how I'm going to create that particular reel, and I want some hooks without having to think about it. And so I already know what my topic is. Oops, I've done that twice. I already know what my topic is, and I didn't want to have to think too much. This is what I want, okay? So ContentFactoryAI.org builds business systems that flow and stop costing you money in inefficient ways. Now, what I've done is I've got a couple of pages that are specific to that particular thing. So I'm going to record my screen each time, and I'm going to put these 20 hooks that it creates over, and that's going to be a reel. And so for the first few seconds, it'll say what the hook is, and then it'll show it's about a minute of or whatever it's going to be, of just scrolling up that page so people can stop and read the information if they like, okay? So my niche is creating business systems. And I already created 20 of them before, so I'm not going to look at that. I'm not going to make it generate more. I'm going to go to saved content, and my hooks are here. And here's one of the first hooks. I watched a client burn $47,000 on systems that fought each other before we fixed everything in one afternoon. So that's a hook, and then it shows if it catches them, then they want to read that. And then the next one, what if I told you that 73% of your operational costs come from systems that don't talk to each other? So all the systems in businesses, you've probably got a lot of different you might be paying for a lot of software that none of it really syncs up properly, especially when people have got everything is so old school. It's a lot of paperwork, and they're using so many different software packages. Well, what my business does is create entire software for your business, and it's based around your business. That's what I do. And so once they start seeing that hook, and then they're able to actually read the stuff that's coming up as well, that's a really good reel. So that is how I use ContentFactoryAI.org to create really easy hooks and reels for my brand, which is ContentFactoryAI.org. Watch for more information.